So these are 10 unpopular opinions that will make you very, very rich. Number 1, company loyalty will make you poor. Screw those 3% cost of living raises. Want to make real money? Start switching companies. Check this out. If you switch employees every 3 to 4 years, you can get a 15% to 20% raise each time. 100% pay increases every 10 years. Something to think about. Number 2, most millionaires are self-made. Yes, we all get help, but the vast majority don't just inherit their wealth. Now, this is proven. Rich people earn it by these 3 ways. They start a business, they invest in real estate, they invest in a new product. They provide value. Just think about that. Number 3, getting rich is a habit. Habits are the things we do without thinking about them. Rich people habits are different. Rich people rarely complain, they think long-term, have tangible goals, know that time is money, and diet and exercise regularly. Number 4, your significant other will make or break you. I'm where I am today because of the person I married. The right spouse will support you in your goal. Make sure you don't settle, because if you get the wrong person, you're fucked. Number 5, very few rich people are glued to the news. The news is designed to make you upset, angry, fear. Now, fear is really something that you want to look at when it comes to propaganda in the media, right? None of these emotions, however, help us to build wealth. Rich people are busy getting rich to worry about the day's manufactured drama. So, ladies and gentlemen, they ain't worried about what's on TV and Netflix and shit. They worry about getting this money. Number 6, making money is easy. There are 20 million millionaires in the US. So money is everywhere. All you need to do is identify a skill that you already have that people want to pay for. All of us have a marketable skill. I always talk about that gift that God gave you. We all got it, right? Rich people identify them, use them, then monetize them. Number 7, you don't need to hustle 24/7. And this is something that I had ingrained in my head that I thought, as I was going towards financial freedom, right? But burnout does not help you get rich. It makes you less effective. Actually, burnout can give you poor decisions, make you more fatigued, less motivated, and you get bad sleep. Proper rest and sleep mean you can push harder during the day. Number 8, grown up poor doesn't mean you're screwed. It might be tougher on you, yes. It might be hard at first, but that also means your success will mean more to you. There are enough rags to riches stories out there these days to prove that grown up poor won't kill your chances of getting rich. Number 9, money doesn't play favorites. If you live in the first world, you have way more access to money than you think. Money is everywhere. Now think about all the videos I talk about on side hustle, business loan, government handouts, real estate. Effective things that are all around you to help you ultimately earn more money. People want to pay you. Think about it. You just need to let them. People want to pay you. You just got to let them. And remember, you don't make money, you take money. Which leads me to the point number 10, which I just repeated. You don't make money, you take money. Money is to be taken, not made. Remember, money is made through thin air. The government prints money out of fucking thin air, but it's up to you to figure out how you're going to take it.